this is Pete. Now, do you guys have an iPhone that's not working properly? It won't start up, or it starts up and then shuts down after just a minute or two. Maybe it's just got a blank screen. Well guys, never fear, because I have a very simple fix, and I've got to tell you gang, this fix actually works on all iPhones. Check it out. Now, go out and buy yourselves a Samsung Galaxy. There you go, problem solved. See you next time.